Beneath our skin lies a universe of miracles, cells that whisper, organs that harmonize, and systems that dance to the rhythm of life. But how does this symphony play so perfectly? Let's journey inward and find out. Let's discuss more about human circulatory system. What is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is a network that allows blood to flow throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cell while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. The system consists of the heart blood vessels and the blood itself. Working with the respiratory system, it ensures that oxygen reaches tissues and carbon dioxide is expelled. Without the circulatory system, our cells wouldn't receive the necessary materials to function properly and waste product would build up causing harm. The heart structure and function. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, slightly to the left of the center. It acts as the body's pump, ensuring that blood keeps moving through the circulatory system. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria on top and 2 ventricles on the bottom. These chambers work together to pump oxygen-poor blood to the lungs and oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. The heart contracts and relaxes in a regular rhythm known as a heartbeat, ensuring a continuous flow of blood. Types of blood vessels. There are 3 main types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the body. They have thick, elastic walls to withstand the high pressure from the heart's pumping action. Veins bring deoxygenated blood back to the heart. They have thinner walls and often contains valves to prevent blood from flowing backward. Capillaries, the earth in blood vessels that connects arteries and veins. These in-world vessels are where oxygen, nutrients and waste are exchanged between blood and tissues. How blood circulates through the body. Blood circulates through 2 major loops: pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, blood flows from the heart to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. This oxygen-rich blood then turns to the heart. In systemic circulations, the heart pumps this oxygen into blood to the rest of the body. Arch blood moves through the body tissues, it delivers oxygen and collects waste products like carbon dioxide, which are then transported back to the heart and lungs. What is blood made of? Blood is made up of several components, each with a vital function. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the body as tissue and bringing carbon dioxide back to the lungs for exhalation. White blood cells help the body fight infections and are an important part of the immune system. Platelets are small cell fragments that play a key role in blood clotting, helping to stop bleeding when we get a cut. Plasma is the liquid portion of the blood that carries nutrients, hormones and waste products throughout the body. The cardiac cycle. The heart works by contracting and relaxing in a cycle called cardiac cycle. When the heart contracts, called systole, it pumps blood out of the ventricles into the arteries. When the heart relaxes, called diastole, it fills with blood again. The heart's love-dove sound comes from the valves opening and closing during this cycle. The right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs, while the left side pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. The continuous process keeps the blood flowing and self-supplied with oxygen. Maintaining a healthy circulatory system. Maintaining a healthy circulatory system is essential for overall well-being. A balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins help to keep the heart and blood vessels healthy. Regular physical activity strengthens the heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood. Avoiding smoking, limiting fatty foods and reducing salt and sugar intake can also reduce the risk of heart disease. Staying hydrated is important for maintaining the volume of blood and ensuring that nutrients and oxygen can be effectively transported to cells. Common circulatory system problems. Several health problems can affect the circulatory system. Hypertension occurs when the force of blood against artery wall is too high, which can lead to heart disease. Atherosclerosis is a condition where fat deposits build up in the arteries, restricting blood flow. A heart attack happens when the blood supply to part of the heart is blocked, usually due to a clot causing damage to heart tissue. A stroke occurs when blood flow to the brain is blocked, depriving brain cells of oxygen and leading to potential brain damage.